You're only going to want to do one side, Max.
Are you drawing on my ear?
Is that too low, Mommy?
Yeah, more like...
More in the top. Like right here.
No?
Right there.
Yeah, there.
Oh.
You sure? Let me see. See where this is gonna make sure the whole lines up, you know.
Max, that's kind of late reaction.
Let me see. Let me see.
Did it go in?
Yeah, but the backing fell out. Here, stay still. Don't pull it out.
Uh-oh.
I gotta put,
Uh-oh.
put the hole in. That's gonna fall out. Hey, let me see.